Go on, hope everyone is doing fine. So the video is gonna be on Candy Wow. I'm say a video circulate with Candy Wow and trust me, I'm say this my mouth drop a grung. My mouth literally drop a grung like what exactly I go on with Candy Wow cause she did it at the bottom and then she rise to the top and she did reach very far. Especially with her dance, the wow wine and all of that. And ever since the boyfriend thing she kinda you know what I mean? Drift and me I said if mackerel, because mackerel are all our own. I'm not gonna lie, mackerel are all our own. What really happened to Candy Wow? Did our management team leave her? Is she being stubborn? Or I don't know, but take a look on the video. It look like she gone back to more than square one.
A wow lighter, a wow scissors, a wow toothpick, a wow chain, wow shirt, wow vest.
Tell Angie what you say, I tell him now.
Yeah, Angie Honest, good evening. This is Miss Wow. Like how you lock down the country. And Miss Wow like me. Nothing now go on. Too tough for me. So if you can donate something for Miss Wow. You got 4 of them. You got Facebook, you got Twitter, you got Instagram, and you got WhatsApp. So if they can't get me through them there, Mr. Andrew Olness,